Christmas. Tell me.
A baby in the cradle.
Uh-huh.
And it's...
What else? What about the bouncy ball? Tell me about that.
It's like a bigger.
It's like a bigger?
Yeah.
What color?
A bit, it's yellow. It's not yellow. It's green.
Uh-huh.
And it's bigger than the eye.
In the ceiling?
Yeah.
Really?
And 90 up in the air.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good Christmas list. You want to tell Santa anything else you want?